Guys, see, this is a project, and this project, it is an residential building. It is a residential building. You see, this building here currently is a residential building, which come with several houses. You see, these are residential houses. Okay, and today we are exploring our second floor. It is the third one from the ground level. You see, it is our residential building. You see, this podcast, that's my aim. We can generate architect design, any kinds of architects here we generate. Today we have our residential building apartment. It is a residential building apartment, and let us explore our second floor. And here we are. See, here we are. Our residential building. And here, this is our residential building's first entry by climbing stairs. You see, by climbing stairs, our stairs country will take us up to this area. You see this ground stairs. Okay, at this side we find there are two houses. Okay, starting with, oh no, this is a single bedrooms options. Okay, this is a single bedroom options, and we start with this. It's when you enter, this is our bedroom portion. This is bedroom, what not huge one. Okay, kitchen right here. This is a kitchen. This is a single bedroom, which is a bedroom with a kitchen and bathrooms. You see, this is the bathroom. This is a single room. This is our single room. You see, that's our single room, and this is our rooftop. Okay, this is a relaxing balcony for both these rooms, because we got 4 rooms at the second floor, which is the third one from the ground, and another room here. This is a pantry. Okay, and we got another room here. You see this room. Okay, also come with its own kitchen and bathroom. See, kitchen option right here. Kitchen options, dining, they also bathroom. You see, also come with its own bathroom. And here also is our another bedroom. See, is another bedroom. Huge one, country bed here. Kitchen option right here. You see, this is the electric stove. Okay, and the bathroom here. Also come with its own bathroom. You see, that's our second. Let us see that one. Okay, here we go. This is stairs on a third one. After this stairs take us when there are house portions here. There are houses which consisting of 4 bedrooms, and there are houses which consisting of 1 bedroom. We start with a 4 bedroom. See, when you first enter, this is our living area. This is our balcony here. See, living area come with its own kitchen here. see, this is the kitchen. Okay, public bathroom, because I told you this is a four bedroom house. You see, okay, this is a bathroom for this bedroom. You see, and at this side we got another bedroom which belongs to this also house. You see, quite huge one, come with two bed, and it is bathroom here. You see, at the ground level, this house consisting of two bedroom, kitchen, dining, and a public toilets. But this house right here, which come with one bedroom, at this stage, it is only kitchen level. You see, the kitchen level only. And these stairs can take us to the our fourth one. So on our fourth one, as I told you, this bedroom got one room. It is living area. You see, quite huge living area. Okay. Also come with it is own public bath. When you cook or when you using living room, not can't go to bedroom. Can use this public bathroom here. See this public bathroom here, and this is it is own bedroom. See, quite huge one. Okay, come with a lot of visions. Also come with it is own bathroom. See, come with it is own bathroom. Okay, so at this side, after that staircase take us. You see these staircases, it kindly take us to this house, and we find this is our third floor. See our third huge one also come with the only dressing area and the bedroom here. Okay, our fourth room, because I told this house at this side consists of four bedroom. This is it is four bedroom, and they come with its own bathroom here. You see, so guys, as I told you, this is an apartment building, and this apartment building consisting of a lot of houses. There are one bedroom house, two bedroom house, three bedroom house, four bedroom house, as well as five bedroom house. And now we are going to explore our five bedroom house. You see on this apartment, our five bedroom house. You see, we start with is the final. So we start with it is Owen living room. You see, it is Owen living room. This is the entry door. You see the entry door here. You find it is living room. You see, our five bedroom house come with this living room. It's quite huge living room. See, and it come with it is own balcony. You see, balcony at here. It come with it is own balcony.